What if I told you that your joints hurt, your brain feels foggy, your sleep is wrecked, your skin looks tired, and your blood sugar is quietly creeping toward diabetes? And the fix for all of it is sitting on a grocery store shelf, costs less than $2, and fits in the palm of your hand? Most people walk right past it every single week. They're spending hundreds on supplements, thousands on prescriptions, and suffering through side effects that nobody warned them about, while the answer has been staring at them from aisle 7 this whole time. We're talking about sardines, and not just eating them occasionally. We're talking about what happens when you go all in for 5 straight days. Here's what nobody tells you about the way most of us eat. We are constantly flooding our bodies with sugar and refined carbohydrates from sunrise to sunset, and our insulin never gets a chance to come down. That means our fat, all that stored energy sitting right there on our waistlines, stays completely locked away. Our bodies never touch it. We just keep burning the sugar we ate an hour ago, crashing, craving more, and repeating the cycle on an endless loop. Day after day, year after year. That's not a willpower problem. That's a biological trap. And the Sardine Fast is one of the most elegant ways to escape it. So here's how this works. For 5 days, you eat 3 cans of sardines per day. Get them with the skin, with the bones, packed in extra virgin olive oil. You drink water, you can have black coffee or tea, and you take your electrolytes every single day. Ones that include potassium, magnesium, and sodium. That's it. Simple, almost shockingly simple. And yet what happens inside your body over those 5 days is anything but simple. The very first morning you wake up after day 1, something has already shifted. Your liver spent the night burning through its stored sugar, what scientists call glycogen, and now it's gone. Along with it goes a surprising amount of water weight. People sometimes lose several pounds in the first 24 hours, and while some of that will come back if you return to eating carbs, the important thing is what that depletion unlocks. Because once the stored sugar is gone, your body has no choice but to turn to fat. And that's exactly where you want it to go. Now, 3 cans of sardines give you 69 grams of high-quality protein every single day. 0 carbohydrates, 0 sugar. And here's the number that should genuinely blow your mind. 2,700 milligrams of EPA and DHA, which are the omega-3 fatty acids your body is almost certainly desperate for right now. The average American gets roughly 100 milligrams of EPA and DHA per day. 100. You're about to consume 27 times that amount, every single day, for 5 days. That's not just supplementing. That's flooding your system with something it has probably never experienced before. Day 2 is where things get honest. Some people feel a little rough. There's a specific kind of craving that shows up. Not real hunger, not stomach-growling desperation, but a dopamine hunger. Your brain wants variety. It wants something crunchy or salty or exciting. That's just your reward system putting up a little resistance. But here's the thing. Your body has already started producing ketones. Those are the molecules your liver makes when it breaks down fat, and they are powerful. Your brain actually runs beautifully on ketones, better than it runs on sugar for most people. So, while part of your mind is lobbying for a bag of chips, another part is quietly waking up. Focus sharpens, mental clarity starts to come online. And the inflammation that has been quietly smoldering in your joints, your gut, and your blood vessels, the resolvins in those omega-3 fatty acids are already starting to put that fire out. Subscribe to Dr. Wren channel, like this video, and share it. Because what's coming next is the part most people never hear about, and it's the reason this 5-day experiment can genuinely change the direction of your health. By day 3, the transformation starts feeling undeniable. Brain fog, the kind that makes you feel like you're thinking through wet concrete, lifts almost completely. People describe waking up on day 3 and feeling like the lights came back on. That's the ketones doing their job, feeding your neurons directly. But there's something else happening too. 3 days of eating sardines means 3 days of serious selenium intake, almost 3 times your daily recommended amount each day. Selenium is what your thyroid uses to convert its inactive hormone, T4, into the active form, T3. When your thyroid is firing properly, your metabolism warms up. Literally. People notice they're not as cold. They feel like their engine is actually running at the right temperature. And on top of that, high doses of omega-3 fatty acids activate something called brown fat, a special type of fat tissue that is packed with mitochondria and actually burns energy as heat. It's inefficient in the best possible way. Your body starts wasting fuel and the scale starts moving. Day 4 is when other people start noticing. You look in the mirror and something is different about your face. Your skin has a clarity and a glow that wasn't there 4 days ago. That's the omega-3 fatty acids rebuilding your cell membranes. Literally every cell in your body, including every skin cell, gets a fresh infusion of healthy fat. Your complexion changes, and your joints, if you've been carrying chronic inflammation for years, you may feel something on day 4 that you haven't felt in a long time. Looseness, ease, movement that doesn't cost you. Meanwhile, the taurine in sardines is quietly doing something remarkable for your nervous system. Taurine spikes GABA, the calming neurotransmitter that keeps anxiety at bay and lets your brain finally power down at night. That 3 a.m. cortisol spike that jolts you awake? Gone. Deep, restorative sleep takes over, and it compounds everything else that's happening. And then day 5 arrives. By this point, something fundamental has shifted, not just in your body, but in your relationship with food. You're not hungry. You're not craving anything. You're in control in a way that probably feels unfamiliar. Over 5 days, you've consumed 5,000% of your recommended B12. You've taken in 13,000 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids. You've given your gut a real break, which allows those microbial communities to diversify and strengthen. And since your gut and your brain are in constant conversation, a healthier gut means a calmer, sharper mind. The scale has moved. The inflammation has come down. The sleep is deep. And here's what none of this can fully prepare you for. You realize that the cravings and impulses that used to run your eating were never really you. They were biology, and you just changed your biology. When you come off the Sardine Fast, do it gradually. Add foods back slowly. Your digestive system has been on a kind of vacation, and it appreciates a gentle welcome back. Keep your electrolytes going. Consider a B-complex supplement, especially B1, since the body can only store about 4 days' worth, and how you come off a fast matter just as much as the fast itself, so take that transition seriously. The $2 can sitting in the grocery store aisle isn't glamorous. It's not a pharmaceutical. Nobody is running ads for it during prime time. But study after study, the data keeps pointing to the same conclusion. The omega-3 fatty acids, the selenium, the B12, the taurine, the high-quality protein, it all works together in a way that is genuinely hard to replicate with any supplement stack at any price. 5 days, 3 cans a day. It's not a miracle. It's just your body finally getting what it needed all along.